control.
How people see coughing before versus now. Before.
Bro, shit!
Hey, bro, you good?
It's just, I got a cold.
bro, you good. Just save all the time, bro. You good.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Now.
Bro, shit! You good, bro? You good? Oh, heck nah! Oh, heck nah! Bro, nah, you ain't not good! Save yourself! What do I do before that? Okay, so I can call 911. No, help me out. Please answer, please. 911, what seems to be your emergency? Yes, hello?
So you called?
Please help me.
Jesus Christ!
Oh, okay, what address are you at? I'm at 147 your booty cheek is clapping 97th Street. Okay, I'll make sure to emphasize on the cheeks clapping. Oh, okay, and sir, can you tell me what's going on? My friend has coronavirus. Oh.
What seems to be the problem?
What? I said coronavirus! Oh, okay.
Yeah, so can you please hurry fast? I'm in very credible danger. He's coming after me and he's infected. He wants to eat me alive. Please, just hurry. Bring like a SWAT, please.
Yeah, I'm on break.
What do you mean? You're breaking out.
Okay, let's go. Gotta go, man. Oh, that was hard, bro. That was a really nice save, but that was really close.
Hey, you said it, bro.
Yeah! What am I supposed to do?